Hello again, this is Madan. In this demo, we will be continuing our watchlist implementation feature from where we left in our previous demo, and in this demo we are going to create the view for our watchlist controller. So let's head over to our views folder and let's create another folder called watchlist. Watchlist, and inside the watchlist we are going to create a index view to show the watch list of the user. So let's create a new view called index.cshtml, and if we go over to our watchlist controller and see the index action, then it is going to return us the list of the watch list. So the model for this index view will be model will be list of watch list, and let's put the h2 here for now. My watch list, and we're going to create a table here. So let's create a div class, put that inside the row, div class equal to row, and let's create a table here, let's give it a class of class equal to table, bootstrap table class, and inside the table we are going to create a t head, and inside the t head we are going to create the tr. Inside the tr we will be having th, and let's say id of the watch list id, and let's say name, let's say pet name. Once you create the t head, we will be creating a t body, and inside the t body we'll be creating the row. So here we are going to get the watch list from our model and create the rows in the table based on the number of items in the watch list. So we are gonna need to run the loop. So at the rate will be for each at the rate for each let's say variable watch list, watchlist, watch list. In our model we're going to run a loop here. So for each items in the watch list we are going to create the table row tr, and inside the tr we are going to create the td, and in the td we will be having at the rate watchlist.id, and inside the another td let's create another td here, and inside that we will be displaying the name of the pet. So watchlist watchlist.pet.name. If we go over to our watchlist model here, the watchlist model has a pet navigation property, and our pet model has a name property here. So we can get the name of the pet by doing watchlist.pet.name, and we'll be adding another link here, td, and let's put the header for that as well, th, let's say actions, and I'm gonna put the anchor link here, okay, remove. So this link will be for removing the items from the watch list. So asp action equal to our remove action from the controller, asp controller equal to watch list, and route id equal to our controller remove action. In our watch list controller requires us to pass the id as a parameter. So this id, it is gonna be watchlist.id, watchlist.id. Let's save this, and this view will display all the watch list of the users from the database table. And now in our demo application, what we did previously is that in our pet details view, we created a link to add the watch list, add to watch list. This is going to point to the new action of the watch list controller new action, and the new action require us to pass the pet ID as a parameter. So we need to modify this and add a ASP route ID, route dash pet ID, and this is gonna be the ID of the pet. So the ID of the pet is, it is gonna come from the model.id. Now let's copy this here and paste it here. I'm going to break down this into multiple lines so that it will be easy to read. Add to watch list. And one more thing is if we head over to our project right now and refresh this, then let's log out first and let's head over to the pet manager. And now the user has not been signed in, so it is the any user that came to visit the website. And when the user click on the details of the pet, then they get to see the watch list, add to watch list button. So but our controller doesn't allow the anonymous user to use the watch list, so we need to remove this button from the anonymous user, and we need to only show this button for those users who are logged in. So let's head over to our details view, and to hide this button we need to do a couple of things here. So first we need to bring in the sign in manager, so at the rate, and we need to inject that into here. So we use the inject keyword just like that, inject sign in manager application user